Good day everyone, Shalu here. If you can hear those waves, we are beach bound today. Kathy and I, you see her back there? She's just on the beach there. I don't even know if I showed her to you. I hope I did. It's so bright it's hard for me to tell. Anyway, she's back there. Yep, I can see her now. We did a sand scrub. We hopped in for a swim. She couldn't even believe it. Because yesterday or day before when we came out here, her comfort level was only to like the third buoy that's here. They've got an area marked off. And I said, let's go swim out to, the buoys out there. And she was like, no, I'm comfortable here. And today we were talking and just treading water. And before we knew it, she was there. So it's amazing how, we don't even know what we can do. And we hold ourselves back, right? So yeah, we did a sand scrub. Oh my God, I cannot believe. We did skin brushing too yesterday. And that felt good. But a sand scrub, oh my God, I couldn't believe how soft my hands feel. My body, it's just like, whoa, it's like a whole other level. And it's tingling. It feels so revitalizing. We watched Daryl's live earlier today, so he kind of inspired us, right? Because we were down here 2 days ago and we just did the regular beach stuff. Didn't even think about the sand scrub. And today we're like, okay, we're doing this every day. It feels so good. My heels were starting to get kind of cracked and we just dug in there and oh my God, they're so nice and soft now. There's no cracks. And how much money do we pay for pedicures, right? All we got to do is get to a beach. And especially, back home in Barrie, Ontario, we don't have that luxury through the winter, but right now, get out there, find yourself a beach, find some sand, and get scrubbing. It's amazing. So we're out here, we're getting our dose of iodine and vitamin D because the sun is hot, baby. It's very hot today. And we're grounding. We've got, connecting with the water, with the sand, with the earth. And it is just amazing. And I'm sitting there thinking, I am filling my cup. I'm filling my cup to the point where it's runneth over, okay? And this is what we need to do. What do we do every day? We get up, we don't fill our own cups, and then we go around hoping other people will make us feel better, right? We go around looking for compliments and I love yous and all of that kind of stuff outside of ourselves when we could so easily through this kind of stuff, wherever you are. Through the winter, I know I go back into the Arda Bluffs and I go take a walk and, it's called forest bathing. And I swear, it's so beautiful in there. And in the wintertime when the, snow is falling and it gets knocked off a tree and the sun will hit it and it literally looks like there's little fairies and pixie fairies, all around, and it's just so angelic and so beautiful. And that feeling that we feel in that moment is what matters. How can you carry that feeling with you? Well, how you carry that feeling is by having your cup full, by not expecting externally to be felt good. Internally, you just feel so good and you hold into it. And there's a lot of people, I met them, they know it all. I'm the smartest person in the room, or I know all the answers. Yeah, I've heard that before, right? Well, that's fantastic. If you have all of that, why aren't you happy? Why aren't you living your best life, right? And it's because when a cup is full, you can't put any more in it. So maybe it's time to dump some of the things out, right? Maybe it's time to look at, I've believed this for so long. Is it really serving me? Is that belief serving me? And if it's not, let it go. Try something new, right? Because that's what life is about. You try and you try again, right? Until you get to that point where you are just having nothing but a joyful moment and then it's on repeat. Every moment is the best moment. And you know why? Because you are the creator. You're no longer the victim that is sitting there going, gee, I wonder what today will bring. No, you know that it doesn't matter what today brings. It's going to be the best moment ever, right? And so how do you get there? Well, it's baby steps, right? But the biggest thing you got to do is figure out how to connect with yourself. How to be okay when everything isn't okay. because everything is perfect, even when it's not okay. But to know that there's something, there's some teaching, some lesson, some experience that you're meant to have, that you're going to need. So, again, getting back to that relationship with self, when it doesn't matter that you walk into a room full of strangers, and if you make a friend, great. If you don't, it really doesn't matter, because you're your own best friend. And it's amazing when you get to that state and you are that comfortable with just being by yourself, your light actually shines brighter, right? It actually shines brighter, and it attracts everyone to you. So I would encourage you all to just check what's in your cup. How is your cup full, right? How is it filled? Is it full? If it's not, what can you do to fill it for yourself instead of looking out at other people expecting to fill your cup? And if it is full, is everything in that cup actually serving you? And if it's not, then it's time to evaluate. Some of the things might be time to let them go. So if you're struggling with any of this, you know we're doing a BraveHeart Health and Healing Circle in November in Barrie, Ontario. It's from the 23rd to the 26th. You can go to braveheartnation.com, or all the information's there, and you can sign up there. Or you can call me at 705-828-2257. Anyway, I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to seeing you in November. And let's start this journey together. I love you. Have the best day ever.